Let's start with one simple truth. AI can predict your next trading mistake before you even feel it. And it does this by reading your behavior patterns. These patterns tell AI whether you are a patient trader or an impulsive trader. And once AI puts you in one category, your results become almost predictable. Most traders believe they are patient. But when researchers analyzed millions of retail trading actions using AI behavior models, they found that most traders fall into the impulsive category without realizing it. Not because they trade randomly, but because their nervous system reacts too fast under emotional pressure. So let's break the comparison down clearly. A patient trader waits for information. An impulsive trader reacts to emotions. A patient trader observes the chart. An impulsive trader reacts to movement. A patient trader is guided by rules. An impulsive trader is guided by urges. Two traders can look at the same chart and still behave completely differently because their internal psychology is different. Now here's where AI becomes powerful. AI does not look at your wins or losses. It looks at how you trade. It tracks your reaction time, entry timing, exit behavior, hesitation points, and emotional speed. These signals help AI predict who you are becoming as a trader, patient or impulsive. Let's make it even clearer. A patient trader can watch a clean setup form for 20 minutes without touching the mouse. An impulsive trader starts scanning 5 different charts in those same 20 minutes, hoping to find something. A patient trader looks for confirmation. An impulsive trader looks for excitement. This difference creates two very different outcomes. Patient traders wait for the market to come to them. Impulsive traders chase the market and lose energy, clarity, and money. AI models used by behavioral finance labs show that impulsive traders have one common pattern. They enter trades less than 90 seconds after seeing a move. Not because the setup is strong, but because the emotion is strong. This is where modern trading psychology shows the truth. Your brain rewards anticipation more than success. Impulsive traders get addicted to the feeling of trying to catch a move. They do not chase the win. They chase emotional relief. This is why the impulsive trader keeps jumping early. This is why they exit too fast. This is why they overtrade after a loss. AI recognizes this pattern before the trader even becomes aware of it. Let us take a real scenario. Two traders are waiting for a breakout. The candle touches the resistance. Both traders feel a moment of excitement. Here is the difference. The patient trader breathes, observes, and waits for confirmation. They ask a simple question. Is the breakout real or just a trap? The impulsive trader reacts instantly. Their mind fires a quick thought. What if it moves without me? They take the trade early, without enough information. 5 minutes later, the market pulls back and they panic exit. Loss created. Pattern repeated. AI can see the impulsive pattern because it tracks how fast you act after emotional movement. Fast reaction equals impulsive identity. Slow observation equals patient identity. Now let's look at a deeper comparison. A patient trader creates distance between emotion and action. They allow the brain to cool before pressing buy or sell. This reduces emotional errors. An impulsive trader collapses that distance. They act during the emotional spike. This increases mistakes. Modern cognitive psychology confirms that emotional reactions shrink logical thinking. When your emotional brain activates, your logic becomes weaker. This is why impulsive traders know what they should do, but cannot do it at the moment. Patient traders experience the same emotions, but they have learned to pause. They have trained their nervous system. They do not control the market. They control their response. Here is another scenario AI uses in its analysis. When you open your trading chart, how long before your first action? If the answer is less than a few minutes, AI marks impulsive behavior. If the answer is longer, AI marks patient behavior. Your timing reveals your identity. This is why so many traders lose without knowing why. The problem is not the chart. The problem is the internal speed. The faster the internal pressure, the weaker the decision quality. Now let us address real modern trader problems. Most traders trade on their phone. Most traders scroll charts rapidly. Most traders get influenced by social media alerts, signals, and notifications. Most traders are trading with a stressed nervous system. This creates impulsive habits naturally, not because the trader is weak, but because the environment is designed for speed. Speed is good for entertainment. Speed is dangerous for trading. AI has already identified this. It predicts impulsive behavior because most traders live in impulsive digital environments. Patient traders do something different. They slow down. They shut noise. They use fewer charts. They protect attention. They protect energy. This gives them clarity. This is why patient traders last longer in the market, while impulsive traders burn out emotionally and financially. This video is about helping you shift your identity. You do not become patient by forcing yourself. You become patient by building habits that support it. And in the next part of this script, we will break down exactly how AI analyzes your behavior and what you can do to change your category. AI behavior systems are now able to detect patterns in your trading long before you see them yourself. These systems don't care about how smart you think you are or what strategy you use. They care about your habits, and every habit leaves a trace. So let's break down the exact AI models researchers use to identify whether you are a patient trader or an impulsive trader. The first signal is reaction time. How fast do you act after seeing movement? Patient traders let information develop. Impulsive traders react during the emotional spike. When AI sees a trader who clicks, enters, or exits within seconds of a minor candle change, it classifies that behavior as impulsive. Not because the trader is foolish, but because the nervous system is too active. A second signal is switching behavior. Patient traders stay with one chart. They focus. They analyze. They observe one setup deeply. Impulsive traders keep switching between charts and time frames. AI detects this as emotional scanning. The brain is searching for instant rewards instead of waiting for high-quality setups. A third signal is holding behavior. Patient traders hold their position according to plan. They wait for take-profit levels or logical exits. Their exits match their rules. Impulsive traders exit early. They exit not because the strategy said so, but because emotion said so. AI recognizes this pattern immediately. Fast entry plus fast exit equals fear-based decision-making. A fourth signal is post-loss behavior. When patient traders lose a trade, they slow down. They analyze what happened. They take a break. They protect the mind before taking the next step. Impulsive traders react to losses with more trading. The mind wants to fix the pain quickly. This creates revenge trading. AI flags this behavior as emotional instability. And the most powerful AI signal is hesitation spikes. This is when a trader wants to enter, but hesitates at the last second. AI can read this micro-pattern and classify your emotional stability. Patient traders hesitate for information. Impulsive traders hesitate because of fear. All these signals create one psychological truth. You are not trading the chart. You are trading your nervous system. Modern cognitive psychology confirms that people make decisions through emotional pressure more often than logical thinking. AI simply measures this pressure in real time. Now let's make the comparison clearer with real trading scenarios. Imagine a pullback forming after a strong move. The patient trader is calm. They let the pullback complete. They wait for structure to form. They wait for confirmation candle. They enter when logic is stable. The impulsive trader sees the same pullback, but feels pressure. They fear missing out. They enter early in the middle of uncertainty. They want to avoid waiting because waiting feels uncomfortable. This behavior causes losses even in good market conditions. AI sees this pattern again and again. Most retail traders enter too early and exit too early. This is why they lose to the same trades that patient traders win. Another example is trend reversals. Patient traders wait for signs. They wait for the trend to slow down. They wait for structure to break. They wait for confirmation. Impulsive traders guess reversals, not because the chart shows it, but because they want to predict the market. This is a reward-seeking behavior. AI marks this as high-risk, impulsive action. The biggest difference comes in volatile markets. Patient traders become even slower. They reduce trades. They wait for volatility to settle. Their psychology remains consistent. Impulsive traders become faster. They increase trading speed. They chase moves. They lose emotional balance. AI detects this by analyzing how fast the user clicks after volatility spikes. This is why some traders blow accounts during news events. Not because their strategy failed, but because their emotional speed went out of control. Let's talk about notifications and social media. AI systems used by trading platforms can measure how often a trader opens the trading app after receiving a signal, alert, or tweet. Fast reactions to notifications show dependency on external triggers. This is another impulsive indicator. Patient traders rarely depend on alerts. They create their own analysis. This difference shapes long-term identity. Now let's look at modern trader problems caused by technology. Most traders trade on their phones. Phone trading increases impulsive decisions because everything is one tap away. AI models show that mobile traders enter 42% faster than desktop traders. Most traders follow random influencers online. This increases noise and emotional pressure. AI detects how quickly traders switch charts after seeing trending setups on social media. Most traders overconsume information. Too many opinions reduce clarity and increase fear. AI marks this as unstable behavior when inconsistent decisions appear in trade logs. So how do patient traders solve these problems? They use slower environments. They reduce the number of charts. They plan before the market opens. They rely on structured processes instead of emotional reactions. AI identifies patient traders by their consistency, slow analysis, controlled action, stable responses, clear structure, minimal switching. Even their losses look different. Patient traders lose clean. Impulsive traders lose chaotic. Here's the final insight before part 3. AI does not judge you. It simply reads your patterns. Those patterns tell the truth about your trader identity. And the good news is this: identity can change. When most traders hear the word patience, they imagine slow decision-making, calm breathing, or waiting for the perfect setup. But that is not what patience looks like through the lens of AI psychology. In the real market environment, patience is not a personality trait. It is a repeatable pattern that shows up in your data long before your emotions catch up. And this is where modern AI has completely changed our understanding of what makes a trader consistent. A patient trader has a predictable rhythm. Their entries happen within a narrow bandwidth of confirmation. Their exits follow structured rules. Their stop-loss placements are stable and do not jump around impulsively. AI systems notice these behaviors instantly. They track the spacing between your clicks, the delay between chart movements and your reactions, the number of times you shift your stop-loss, and even the micro-hesitations that reveal fear or uncertainty. This rhythm is what separates the patient trader from the impulsive one. It is not personality. It is behavioral mathematics. The impulsive trader, on the other hand, shows inconsistency in every part of their trading pattern. Their entries are rushed, often taken without full confirmation. Their exits are reactionary. Their stops move frequently. Their position sizes change randomly. To an AI, this looks like noise. It looks like someone trying to outperform chaos while being part of the chaos themselves. This is why impulsive traders feel exhausted even after a single trading session. Their brain is burning unnecessary energy fighting battles that the patient trader never even has to face. The real breakthrough in modern trading psychology is the discovery that patience is not a mental skill you must master. It is a system you must install. And this system is not built through motivation. It is built through structure. When neuroscientists measure disciplined traders, they find a much lower activation in the brain's reactive circuitry. This means patient traders are not calm because they are strong. They are calm because their environment does not give them chances to be impulsive. They do not rely on willpower. They rely on automatic systems that protect their mind from itself. This is why AI-guided trading routines are becoming powerful. AI can track your impulsive signals before you notice them. It can alert you when your stress patterns rise. It can highlight when you are about to break your rules. It can even identify the exact point where your emotional state begins to take over. This is something humans could never measure in real time. And this is the advantage that the modern patient trader has. They are not just disciplined. They are monitored by intelligent systems that keep them within their optimal psychological zone. But understanding this is not enough. You need practical, daily actions. So here are the real steps to transform into the patient trader that AI predicts you can be. First, you must standardize your entries. Pick 2 setups and remove everything else. The impulsive trader loses because they chase ideas. The patient trader wins because they specialize. Second, you must automate your risk. Choose one fixed percentage and never break it. This is how AI ensures consistency, by removing emotional choice from risk decisions. Third, install a cool-down period. Before every trade, wait 60 seconds. AI studies show that this alone cuts impulsive entries in half. Fourth, separate strategy from execution. Build your plan outside the market. Execute your plan inside the market. Never mix the two. Impulsive traders plan on the chart while emotions move. Patient traders plan before the chart while the mind is calm. Fifth, practice micro-journaling. After each trade, write 1 sentence. What was I feeling before clicking? Over time, you will see emotional patterns that AI already sees, but humans usually ignore. Once you see these patterns clearly, you can address them directly. These steps do not slow you down. They free you. They remove emotional noise. They reduce hesitation. They create reliability. And most importantly, they shift you from being a trader who reacts to a trader who leads. This final transition is the ultimate difference. The impulsive trader feels controlled by the market. They feel like every candle is a threat. Every move is urgent. Every opportunity must be captured. Their mind is locked in survival mode. The patient trader feels none of this. They are not chasing. They are not resisting. They are following their plan with controlled precision. They trust their data. They trust their process. They trust their system. And this is why they grow while others burn out. As we come to the end of this video, remember this truth. AI already knows who you are. It knows how you think. It knows how you react. It knows what your emotional weaknesses are. But this is not a threat. It is a roadmap. It shows you what to fix and where to improve. And if you follow the path that the data reveals, you can transform faster than any trader who relies purely on discipline or motivation. This is the future of trading psychology. This is the evolution of the modern trader. You are not becoming a different person. You are becoming a structured version of yourself. And that version is powerful, consistent, and emotionally bulletproof. If you found value in this, subscribe to Mind for Trade and watch the full episodes where we go deeper into AI-driven mental frameworks for traders who want to rise above emotional trading and build a professional mindset. Your new trading identity starts here.